Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into our channel and watching our videos. Today I'll be talking about a just listed home in Queen Creek, Arizona. It has 4 bedrooms with a loft, 2.5 bathrooms, and the master suite with full bathroom is on the first floor, new tile throughout, and there's additional parking on the side of the house thanks to the additional slab. My name is Sean Rogers. I am the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes Arizona real estate team, and I'd be more than happy to answer any of your questions and or set up a private showing for this property. All of my contact information can be found in the description below, and we would be honored to help with any of your real estate needs. Buying, selling, investing, renting, you name it, we do it. Okay, for now, let's take the tour of this home.